Yes, Jello come back again. Yes, uno girl. We're talking about uno summer uno girl. We're talking about my hair. Uno can't talk about my hair. I hear just what me do. Here is a hairstylist, a cosmetologist. That me do. Summer uno girl, uno need to do what me do. Buy some plastic hair and put in your hair. So your kids won't wear no high water pants. Some of you girls need to stop go a party and invest the money in a picnic. At least if you do what me do, wear some plastic ear. So when you wear the plastic ear, on a picnic can go, fly out and come from Africa. Fly out, go to Africa and come back day before yesterday. Some of it wear some plastic ear so you can take a vacation and go somewhere. Sometime in a life, I know every day people for try and run up and keep up with the crowd. My days of keeping up with the crowd done. From I give birth to 2 kids, I'm sure that all my kids them nice and educated. Me have to quit the dirty life. Me can do like someone and find clothes every week and go a party. Me not have time for them life there. Some of uno every day all uno good for. Some of uno girls dress up and come on Facebook and put on hair and come on Facebook, and if you ask the bank account, you don't even know what name bank account because the bank account is 0. Some of uno people have no college fund, nothing for uno people put down. So who uno for come talk about my ear? On a bright so, on the face is so. Oh, uno for come out harder and think that uno can come style me, uno can't style me. If me have to wear plastic ear and make a sacrifice to my son, travel the world, I be a plastic ear me go wear. Something uno look uno see me in a plastic ear, cause I'm a natural ear me wear too. I want to know. You see me humble. You think me I try look nice to uno? Who uno? Me not try keep up with the Joneses, you know. Me not try keep up with the Joneses. Me a jello, me stay by myself. Me keep up with my own self. Cause me no want look like none of uno either. Cause some man in a Brazilian here and look like uno wearing uniform. Look for uno. Brazilian here, me been there and me done that. Uno can't talk to me. Or someone not talk about my baby father. Not talk about my baby father about him, I'm a cheerleader. Uno want to be my cheerleader, uno. Someone get talk about my baby father for left me. He man left me for uno. Why I don't want my baby father to left me? Why? Because me talkative and him quiet. I never know say opposite attract. One of it loud and one of it quiet. Eh? Somebody have to bring some sauce in the relationship make we attract each other. I want to know. I want to know. I left out of people's life, man, and love me, I'm a plastic ear, I big up me, I'm a plastic ear, because I'm a plastic ear, I'm a pitney. My son at 10 years old and him gone through 3 passport book and the 3 of them full of stamp. Someone never left a parish yet. Someone only stuck in a one parish in a Jamaica when I come talk about my plastic ear. Someone know they up here so too America, someone know they up here so America, someone know. But you, the girl where I customer from New York, the last time me check, me now left Jamaica and come live in New York. If me I live in New York or Manhattan or somewhere upstate nice and decent, when me look like me live Jamaica. Cause sometimes I go some part of New York nice, some part of New York. When you drive from the road, you just go so. I say you just go. And you not dance. You know you can't, you just go so you not dance. So the road rough, not even the valley road no rough so. No road at Jamaica no rough so. Or the road rough and I come going like so you can't style me. You can't style me my plastic ear. And you can't style me my plastic ear. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. I mean not for. I'm never sent phone to come me make my video and tell people how me feel. So when my friend them a Jamaica, so-called friend, not even my friend them, call my friend them and I make them beg me. My real friend them, me big them up when me have it. My friend them, when me tell them I not have it, them understand, because when I have it, them get it. My family them at Jamaica, them all have good for talk about me. Them all have good for talk about me. So who someone can come stand me? I who know, and I talk about me they are foreign. People up here don't get up every day and fuss themselves like on the Jamaican people. People don't get up every day and want to put on makeup, and want to put on false hair, and want to put on false nails. Number one, oh, some man or girl cook with false nails and nail dumpling, man. No man no want that for don't wife for the nail they don't get so. No man no want that. So on a girl, and I can't come style me, and I can't style me no day no time. I want to know. I want some know. I'm to know. And I can't style me. I tell you say I want me number plastic hair 100 times. My life comfortable. I have a bed where I sleep on. My pitney them have them own room where them sleep in. So who if you come talk about me, and I can't hungry. Cause all of me have a job, I go get some food stamp. But they can't talk to me. They can't talk to me. They can't talk to me. Or the some other girl. Someone forgot